Hey guys, it's Jeffree Beauty Ride X. My lash is coming off. I'm just gonna ignore it though, so you can do the same. Here is our Ipsy unboxing for Ultimate. What am I saying? Here is our unboxing for December's Ipsy Ultimate box. I just did my unboxing for the Glam Bag Plus. I wasn't over the moon about it, but that's kind of been the theme for a lot of Ipsy boxes lately. And I'm not starting off thrilled with this one either. Here are 4 sheet masks from Feel Brilliant. There are 4 bamboo charcoal face sheet masks, powerful detoxifier and pore minimizer. Great. These retail for a set of 4, $35. Okay. Here is the bag that usually comes with. Feels like a nice sturdy bag. I don't keep these. I send them off to somebody who uses them, fill and send to women in need. It's very nice of them. Here is a single Pixie by Petra Shadow. It's one of those like double ones. And the shade is Mineral Bronze. This this is a deluxe sample. And I will not be opening this because I won't use this. So I'm just gonna save this for a giveaway. Maybe somebody will use it. And when I save things like that for a giveaway, it's not included. It's not like, oh, you're gonna win this. It's just something I throw in the box. All right, the next thing is the Delectable Butter Balm Hand Cream in Triple Citrus Blend. Also a deluxe sample. I'm also not gonna open this. I don't use hand creams. Next are Galactic Sparkle Balms. These are 3-in-1 pencils. The shades are Periwinkle and Twinkle. It says full size, $34 value. So I'm assuming together they're $34. I highly doubt singles, like one of these is $34. There's just no way. Love the look of supple lip gloss, but can't handle the sticky feeling. These multitasking balm duos give you shine, but in a moisturizing formula. Apply underneath a lip gloss as a topper over your liquid lipstick or the lip sparkle on its own. No. I'll never use these. I'm not gonna swatch them or anything. I mean, they're things I'll never use. I thought maybe they were like eye sticks or something. They're not. I'll never use these. I'll save these for giveaways too. Unfortunate. 3 out of 4 things are already going to giveaways. Okay, the next, Alamasca liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. Not surprising. This is a full size, retails for $22. That looks very black, very nice. I will definitely use this, and maybe I'll save this for our Get Ready With Me video. And this is a liquid lipstick from Fluid in the shade Candy Bar. This retails for $16. I've never heard of this brand, so that's fun. It's a new brand. It doesn't look like I'm gonna love the color though. It looks very brown. Maybe I'm wrong. That would be great. No, I'm not wrong. It's kind of brown. It's kind of a brown mauve. I'll give it a try anyway. I've already opened it, so. Okay. Okay. This is another sample. This is the, oh, I love this. This is the Vanilla Co. Clean at Zero Cleansing Balm. I used to have full sizes of this. This is probably my favorite cleansing balm ever. A solid, like, cleansing oil, if you will. You can get this pretty affordable on Ulta or Amazon. These are awesome. If you get this in yours, don't throw it away. Put it on when you have makeup on, when your face is dry. Rub it around, add water, it kind of emulsifies, rinse your face, your makeup's completely gone. All right, the next is from Skin Co. This is the Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. I don't know what that means. Did we already get this? No, we already got a face wash and I have a spray that Aylie sent me. This is an exfoliator. I love exfoliators. Hopefully it's not like a shitty, like walnut-based one. Let's see what it says. This retails for $28. Oh, but it actually says, now more than ever, your skin needs exfoliation, but it also needs hydration. Superfine apricot seeds. Oh, apricot seed powder? Maybe that's better than the, I don't know. Also includes sweet almond oil, olive oil, and truffle extract to hydrate and protect. Maybe I'll try it once or twice once I'm out of my exfoliator that I'm using now. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, the next is the 111 Skin Brio Activating Hydrogel. Oh, this is really expensive. This retails for $200. Although Aylie told me that she got something else from this brand that was also like astronomically priced and it like did nothing. So I don't have the highest hopes for this because honestly, I used to have the La Mer like cream that shit did fucking nothing. Like, it wasn't anything special. It wasn't like, oh my God, this stuff's amazing. It wasn't. Like, it wasn't anything crazy. It was just crazy priced. I'm not one of the people who's like, okay, just because it's expensive automatically means it's amazing. But I will definitely try this and let you know if it's amazing. But I do have some skincare to use up, so. All right, next thing we have, I think it's a highlighter, or it's a fucking champagne colored eyeshadow. Oh no, it's a highlighter, good. And this is from Space Case Cosmetics. That's cute. Ooh, that looks nice. And I didn't put highlighter on today, just in case, for this exact reason. And this is in the shade Seen from Space. Oh, nice. At first I was like, oh no, there's nothing there. That's very nice. I'm gonna put this in my everyday makeup drawer because that's really nice. Wasn't too powdery, it went on. It's perfect for my skin tone. 2 thumbs up. Next is the Morphe Lo-Fi High Sculpt Shimmer Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm pretty sure I have this one. Let me just open it to make sure, because if I do, then obviously this is going in my giveaway drawer. I do like it, it's a nice palette. Yeah, I have this. My friend Aylie told me, not Allie. Aylie told me, she has a channel, Aylie Rose. She's adorable, she's Scottish. You'll die when you hear her talk. She was the one who convinced me to get this. It's a really nice palette. Like I said, I'll put it in with a giveaway in the next few months. Actually, this is, you know, this isn't Ipsy's fault. They didn't know I had this palette, but a cool product to put in here. And I think the last thing in here is a brush. And I think I did pick this out. This is the Complex Culture Contour and Blush Brush. And I think I picked this out because I don't have a brush like this. It's like, I have like fat fan brushes, but none like actually shaped like this. It's really nice and soft, but not crazy soft, but it's like finely packed and the bristles are kind of short. Nice. I'm excited to use it. Honestly, I'm not over the moon. Maybe I'll give it one more shot. I get this box every other month, so look how February's box looks, because that's when I'm gonna get it next. If it's any better. I mean, it's not the worst, honestly, and you know, this was worth it, and I mean, I'm fucking annoyed with the sheet mask. Like, enough with sheet masks. Stop putting sheet masks and hand cream and stuff in boxes. Like, just stop. We don't want it. Stop with the eyeliner. We don't want it. We already have a million. Other than that, everything in here was actually not bad. I'm okay with this. Out of 1 out of 10, I'm gonna say this box was like a 6. It wasn't a bad box. It didn't start off great, but it wasn't bad. That was it. Make sure you let me know what you got in your boxes. Okay, that was it. Bye.